Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to open a BMW X3 trunk from inside. First, you'll need to locate the emergency release handle. It's usually a small, yellow, or glow-in-the-dark lever designed to be easily visible in low light. Once you find it, simply pull the handle firmly towards you. This action will unlatch the trunk, allowing it to open. It's a straightforward process for quick access. The emergency release handle is strategically placed near the trunk's latch, often on the inside of the trunk lid itself. Its design prioritizes accessibility, ensuring you can reach it quickly in an urgent situation. Taking a moment to locate it now, even when not needed, can be incredibly beneficial. Knowing its precise spot provides peace of mind and enhances your vehicle's safety preparedness. Before activating the release, quickly check that nothing is blocking the trunk lid from opening fully. Once clear, a gentle but consistent pull on the handle is all it takes. There's no need for excessive force. The mechanism is designed to be easy to operate. A quick practice run can help you understand the feel of the release, making you more confident should an actual emergency arise. Remember, this internal trunk release is specifically for emergencies and should not be used for routine access. For comprehensive details and any model-specific variations, always refer to your BMW X3's owner's manual. It contains vital information about all your vehicle's features and safety protocols. Also, for those who love to read, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.